you were throwing up.
Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. And I said, I already told you, I think that you should get some rest.
I knew I loved you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. And I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed, and I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head.
Let's check their ground. Hi everyone, welcome to Theos Bakery Studio located here at North Grove.
Hi.
Hi! Again, welcome to Theos. I want this one. Sorry, Parisian cheese roll. This one. Hi, welcome to Theos. So I ordered pancit molo, and how much yours?
Papa. And
Parisian cheese roll. This one.
ano ganun?
Parisian cheese roll. And this one is caramelized.
Cheese roll.
And this one is caramelized. Classic caramelized. Classic caramelized croissant.
Thank you.
Thank you. And mine is my favorite, of course, something na may sabaw. So I ordered pancit molo. And light cheese.
This is only 125 pesos here at Theos Baking Studio, Molo. And it tastes like 750,000. So it doesn't cost a lot, but it tastes like 750,000. Yun.
Daddy ka.
Yes, it tastes like 750,000.
So, magkano lahat yung kinain nyo? Parang ano? Parang
1.5 million. Ma'am,